Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Mini Cooper door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal tool and various Torx screwdrivers, often T20 or T30. Begin by gently prying off any decorative trim pieces, such as the tweeter surround or reflector, to reveal hidden screws. Remember to disconnect electrical connectors for components like window switches or door lights as you go. Next, you'll need to locate and remove all the Torx screws holding the door panel in place. These are often found around the perimeter, behind the door handle, and sometimes under the armrest. Many Mini Cooper models use T20 or T30 Torx bits for these fasteners. Take your time to find every screw, as missing one can damage the panel during removal. Once all screws are out, use your trim removal tool to gently pry the door panel away from the door frame. Start from the bottom or a less visible edge and work your way around, releasing the plastic clips. Be careful not to pull too hard, as the door handle cable and other electrical harnesses will still be connected. Disconnect these before fully detaching the panel. With all clips and cables disconnected, you can now lift the door panel upwards and away from the window channel. Set it aside in a safe place where it won't get scratched or damaged. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps. For more great tips and deals, including a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.